In recent years, humanoid robots have transitioned from science fiction to reality, becoming increasingly integrated into various industries. These robots are designed to perform tasks that were traditionally carried out by humans, such as assembly line work, customer service, and even complex surgeries. While their capabilities are impressive, there have been instances where these robots have malfunctioned, leading to concerns about their safety and reliability.
PV outfit Nexta, which reposted factory security footage shot somewhere in China. The robot in question, a half-finished humanoid dangling from a construction crane like a marionette, was meant to be going through a routine motion range test. Two engineers stood underneath, hands on tablets reading out servo IDs. Suddenly, every joint spiked. The bot windmilled its arms, kicked its feet, yanked the suspension line sideways, and slid its welded stand across polished concrete. The desktop PC smashed to the floor, a bucket of fasteners scattered, and both engineers scrambled out of reach while the crane hook groaned overhead. The whole tantrum lasted maybe 20 seconds, but it drew more than 100,000 views in 4 hours and spawned 69 comment thread jokes about Skynet. One viewer wrote, "Sarah Connor was feffing right."
On May 1st, 2025, a disturbing incident unfolded in a Chinese factory, capturing the attention of the global community and sparking intense debates about the safety of advanced robotics. The event involved a humanoid robot, identified as the Unit Tree H1, which malfunctioned during a routine demonstration, leading to a chaotic and potentially dangerous situation. The incident was captured on CCTV and quickly went viral, drawing widespread attention on social media platforms. In the footage, the robot, suspended from a crane, begins to flail its arms uncontrollably, knocking over equipment and narrowly missing engineers who were present. The engineers, caught off guard, scramble to avoid the robot's erratic movements, highlighting the unpredictable nature of such advanced machines. One of the engineers eventually intervenes, attempting to stabilize the robot by repositioning its stand. The entire episode lasted only a few moments, but was enough to raise serious concerns about the safety protocols in place for testing and deploying humanoid robots. The incident has ignited a broader conversation about the risks associated with integrating humanoid robots into environments designed for human interaction. While these robots are designed to assist and enhance human capabilities, their potential for malfunction poses significant safety risks. Experts have pointed out that such incidents underscore the need for rigorous testing, fail-safe mechanisms, and comprehensive safety protocols to ensure that robots can operate safely alongside humans. Without these measures, the benefits of advanced robotics could be overshadowed by the potential dangers they pose. In the aftermath of the incident, there has been a call for increased transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of humanoid robots. Manufacturers and developers are urged to share detailed information about the safety measures and testing procedures they employ to prevent such malfunctions. Additionally, regulatory bodies are being encouraged to establish and enforce standards that ensure the safe integration of robots into various sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, and public spaces. Only through collective efforts can the promise of advanced robotics be realized without compromising safety and trust. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the complexities and challenges involved in developing technologies that interact closely with humans. As we continue to advance in the field of robotics, it is imperative that safety remains a top priority. The lessons learned from this event should inform future designs and policies, ensuring that the integration of robots into our daily lives enhances, rather than jeopardizes, our well-being.
Let's see who will be the lucky winner today. All right, this miss over here. Come here, miss. Now, my first question.
In 2025, Sherry, a prominent Chinese automaker, introduced a humanoid robot named Morine in its showrooms. Designed to enhance customer experience, Morine is equipped with advanced features that allow it to interact with customers, provide information, and assist in various tasks. Morine is not just a technological marvel, but also a strategic move by Sherry to integrate robotics into its customer service model. The robot's ability to engage with customers and perform tasks traditionally handled by human staff marks a significant step towards automation in retail. While the initial reception has been positive, The long-term impact on employment and customer satisfaction remains to be fully seen.
If Chery is selling vibes, Iggy GmbH is selling spreadsheet math. The Cologne-based motion plastics company spent 15 years harvesting tribology data for low-friction polymers. Now it's packaging those parts into a full humanoid called Iggy Rob that undercuts almost every Western competitor. Headline number, 47,999 euros, roughly $54,500 at today's rate, which is a third the price of Agility's Digit and half the rumored price of Tesla's Optimus. Iggy stands 1.7 meters tall, but it doesn't walk. The torso bolts onto Iggy's Rebel Move autonomous mobile base, a wheeled platform with a 3-point bearing that can carry 50 kilograms of its own mass plus 100 kilograms of payload. Two Rebel cobot arms sprout from the shoulders, each sporting a 6-axis harmonic gearbox stack, and Igus's bionic hands clamp payloads with polymer gears that never need grease. Navigation comes from a roof-mount LiDAR and paired 3D cameras at eye level. Runtime is 8 hours on a single lithium pack. The whole bundle talks ROS2, is CE certified for Europe, and slots into VDA 5050 fleet management dashboards that German factories already use for tuggers and pallet movers.
In a significant development in industrial automation, German company Igus has introduced the Iggy Rob, a humanoid robot designed to perform a variety of tasks in industrial settings. Unlike traditional humanoid robots that often come with high price tags, Iggy Rob is priced at approximately 47,999 euros, around $54,500, making it an accessible option for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, looking to integrate robotics into their operations. The Iggy Rob stands at 1.7 meters tall and is equipped with 2 Rebel cobot arms, bionic hands, a LiDAR sensor, and 3D cameras. These features enable the robot to perform tasks such as material handling, assembly line operations, and service roles like reception duties. The robot operates on the Rebel Move autonomous mobile platform, which provides stability and allows it to navigate complex environments. With a payload capacity of up to 100 kilograms and a battery life of approximately 8 hours, Iggy Rob is designed for continuous operation in industrial settings. One of the standout features of Iggy Rob is its affordability. At a price point of under $55,000, it offers a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to automate their operations without significant financial investment. Igus offers a Test Before Invest program, allowing companies to trial the robot in their environment before making a purchase decision. This initiative aims to reduce the financial risk associated with adopting new technology and encourages SMEs to explore automation solutions. Iggy Rob's design and capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of applications in various industries. In manufacturing, it can assist with tasks such as component placement in injection molding machines, material transport, and assembly line operations. In service sectors, it can perform reception duties and assist in logistics. The robot's ability to integrate with existing systems and its compliance with European CE certification standards ensure that it meets industry safety and operational requirements. On the other side of the world, researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, have developed the Berkeley Humanoid Lite, an open-source 3D printable humanoid robot. Costing under $5,000, this robot can perform tasks like walking, stacking cubes, and writing with a marker. The project emphasizes accessibility and customization, allowing hobbyists and researchers to modify and improve the design. This initiative highlights the potential for widespread participation in robotics development, democratizing the field and fostering innovation.
The Korean automaker closed its purchase of Boston Dynamics in 2021. Now it's folding the Atlas platform, yes, the parkour-doing celebrity robot, into a new factory complex in Bryan County, Georgia. The plant sits at the core of a $21 billion US investment package, $6 billion of which is earmarked for automation and mobility tech. Hyundai already deploys Boston Dynamics' 4-legged Spot for inspection rounds. Bringing in 2-legged Atlas units is a bigger leap. The goal is 300,000 electric and hybrid vehicles per year. feeding a plan to push a US production capacity from 700,000 cars this year to 1.2 million by the end of the decade. Hyundai hasn't said how many Atlases it's buying, but supply chain whispers point to tens of thousands of robots across multiple categories. Atlas's appeal is clear. It can step over conveyor tracks, climb stairs, and thread through weld booths designed for humans, which means Hyundai can retool software faster than it could repour concrete. Labor unions are publicly worried about job displacement, yet management argues that uptime and safety statistics will speak for themselves once the bots clock in. The welding cell of 2026 might look like a human tech with it.
In a significant leap towards advanced manufacturing, Hyundai has integrated Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot into its operations at the Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America in Ellabelle, Georgia. This facility, covering over 2,900 acres, is set to produce 300,000 electric vehicles annually, marking a pivotal step in Hyundai's commitment to innovation and efficiency in automotive manufacturing. The Atlas robot, known for its agility and versatility, is employed to perform tasks that require human-like dexterity and mobility. Its capabilities include navigating complex environments, handling heavy components, and performing repetitive tasks with precision. This integration allows for increased operational flexibility and efficiency, reducing the need for extensive reconfiguration of existing production lines. The introduction of Atlas robots at HMGMA is part of Hyundai's broader strategy to revolutionize manufacturing processes. The $12.6 billion investment in the facility is expected to create 8,500 direct jobs by 2031, with additional employment opportunities arising from supplier partnerships across Georgia. While automation introduces efficiencies, it also necessitates a shift in workforce skills, emphasizing the need for training and adaptation in the evolving manufacturing landscape. While the advancements in robotics are impressive, they also come with inherent risks. The incident in China, where a humanoid robot malfunctioned and posed a threat to human workers, underscores the potential dangers of integrating robots into environments designed for human interaction. Such incidents highlight the need for rigorous testing, fail-safe mechanisms, and comprehensive safety protocols to ensure that robots can operate safely alongside humans. The integration of artificial intelligence with robotics is paving the way for more intelligent and autonomous machines. These AI-powered robots can learn from their environment, adapt to new situations, and perform tasks with increasing efficiency. However, as robots become more capable, questions arise about their decision-making processes, ethical considerations, and the potential for unintended consequences. Ensuring that these systems are designed with safety and ethical guidelines in mind is crucial as we move towards a future where robots play an integral role in various sectors. The development of humanoid robots presents both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. While these robots have the potential to revolutionize industries and improve quality of life, it is crucial to approach their integration with caution. Ensuring robust safety measures, ethical considerations, and regulatory oversight will be essential in harnessing the benefits of humanoid robots while minimizing their risks. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.